I'm Brian Gorinsky. I'm chair of this year's Rocky Mountain Dental Convention. This is a great conference. It's in Denver. It's a great time to come here. If you don't live here, go skiing on the weekend if you want. Make a long weekend out of it. Of all the meetings I've gone to around the country, I think ours is at the very top.
Right now, we are at the Rocky Mountain Dental Convention in Denver, Colorado. I love to invest in my team. That's the most important thing. We have fun together, talk to people, learn about new products, and most importantly, spend time together and developing our familial relationship.
The name of the game this year, as always, is innovation. There are just so many options for CE, for networking, for community building. We are constantly looking for new innovative ways to have our audiences engage more deeply with their learning.
I would say that what RMDC does differently than other shows is the community. I've become really good friends with a lot of the dentists and people that put on the show. It's been absolutely great.
This hall has a lot of opportunities to talk to people, meet people. I just think it's a lot of community here, and it's a big community that we can branch out and try new things and explore different possibilities.
It's the best time to just get all the CE you need. If you need to buy anything from any of the vendors, they're all right here, so you can talk to someone face to face and just get it all done in one weekend.
If you're thinking about coming to RMDC, don't think any longer. Come see your friends, hear world-class speakers. It's going to be fantastic.